Free all the real nigga. Death before dishonor. Live by this shit. Die by this shit. What's up, Rubberband? Hey. Okay. Okay. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Daddy just went and got a flock of birds. And if these snitching that nigga don't sing, I'ma still be out doing my thing. I hope they free my niggas one day. I never snitch, so true to the game. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Daddy just went and got a flock of birds. Hey, a flock of birds, no mocking birds in my nest. About a bird on my chest, 36 whole bricks. Acrobatic with that traffic, nigga, watch them old flip. Look, nigga, watch them old flip. Always kept it closed, look, even though closed mouth don't get fed. Close your mouth and be scared, open your mouth, sing to the feds. Had you in the courtroom with a nigga pointing you out. He told on himself and everybody else, Jeff, I ran to hit him out. In the streets, he promote murders. In these streets, I promote workers. On my boss shit, I ain't low shit. About to start my own coke service. They say, why you up so early? Nigga, that hound up so early. Just to grind me, no time for sleep. I rest when a nigga murk me. I sell lean, sell purple. 16 for a burger. Stupid clientele, my eye scale. My trap house doing hurdles. Lord, I play a nigga, never tell on me. Just hold these folk, don't get me with the bill on me. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Daddy just went and got a flock of birds. And if these snitching that nigga don't sing, I'ma still be out doing my thing. I hope they free my niggas one day. I never snitch, so true to the game. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Daddy just went and got a flock of birds.
I'm up early with the birdies, selling birdies. You try to rob, I make you hit the flow like dirty. Suburban, sipping lean, smoking per swerving. Heard you niggas beefing, but it ain't even worth it. 100 round top, that's a jaw dropper. I'm a brick jumper, your bitch a dick hopper. Heard you got caught, started singing like a opera. I'm so fucking fly, my clothing line helicopter. Rest in peace DJ, rest in peace Gito. Free the West Side King, free my nigga Vito. 2-lane hero, do it for my people. Who's that peeping in my window? People. Goddamn, don't say a word. I'm not from Atlanta, but I'm playing with the birds. I'm 26 inches off the curb. You smell that, we sell that. I know you niggas heard.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Daddy just went and got a flock of birds. And if these snitching that nigga